At Home Inspection Carolina, we often get asked a variety of questions during the initial contact with a client that wants their home inspected. So, here it is.
Top question number 7.
What should I ask to be repaired at the seller's cost? Typically, inspectors stay out of this portion of the real estate transaction altogether, since your professional real estate agent will represent you with your best interests in mind. What we see most often is that during the negotiations, the buyer may see some defects and submit their offer based on what they see during their walkthrough of the property. The inspection report can turn up items that may be significantly difficult or expensive to repair. In this case, we will inform you and your real estate agent of our findings verbally, and it will be highlighted in the report. It is up to you and your realtor what you choose to further negotiate. It is important to note that the home inspection is not designed to help negotiate the transaction or purchase of a home, although it can be a helpful tool and uncover items that could not be seen by the buyer. Please call us now or visit our website to get a free and accurate quote, or even book your inspection directly. To view our other most often asked questions, please visit our easy-to-use website and guide yourself to our frequently asked questions page. And of course, we include Recall Check for Life as part of the home inspection at no extra cost, and our other warranties that you can upgrade and extend as you see fit.